Dumelang bana ka hai. I hope le sharp, le ready, le right, le relevant, le terrible pillow kali washing girls. How are my girlies doing? It's been a while, I know, I'm sorry. But yes, today's video I am reviewing the AVON Powerstay Foundation. It's a cream to powder foundation with SPF 20 girls. So I am going to review that, and I'm also going to plug you on how you can get some free products, because you know, honey, I am all about being a baddie on a budget. I'm about living my dream life on a budget. So I am going to plug you every time I get something that can be pluggable. So anyway, AVON sent me these two foundations in two different colors. They sent me a walnut color and a warm deep tan color. But anyway, let's start first with the packaging. I mean, how cute is this? This is so adorable. It's nice and easy. It can fit in my little bag. Bula, the foundation is here. So this is the warm deep tan, and in a gay feeler, I just wanted to feel how it is, and it feels very light. And then it also comes got an applicator clear. This is the applicator. So yeah, first color, give this deep tan. I don't think it's my color. I think it's probably my winter color, but I'm just gonna take it and swatch it on my skin. Yeah, it's darkenyana. If you can see, this is probably my winter color. So I mean, not my winter, this is probably my summer color. I'll probably wear this color. And then the next one gave this walnut, which is a 510N. And the walnut also, I just kind of, I'm going to take a little bit of it. I like the cream. It's very, so let's see the color swatch. Okay. I mean, the color match is almost perfect. Ooh, it's undetectable. Like, the color match is so perfect on me. Ooh, batung, I love this color match. Sure, to say this color match. So yeah, and I love how it applies. It applies like and that is my favorite kind of makeup, because now I'm a very muted type of girl. So I'm just gonna take this cream and apply it to the rest of my face. And I was a bit worried that there isn't enough of it to go around, but I can see that a little goes a long way. I mean, it melts. It melts like butter. Butter high and rama. Ising ele cheap, ising rondo. Rama baby. It melts like rama on my skin. And I can see you can even like use your fingers if you want. So anyway, guys, how can you get free products? So I got this product through this platform that I am part of called Brand Beauty Bulletin. This is like a website where you can sign up to get free products to review, and then you can load your review on the website, and you can also do like an Instagram post for it. So this one, I'm going to do an Instagram post for it. I don't like the hand application, so go just to move it around my skin. So yeah, that is that is Beauty Bulletin. Another platform that you can try, I'll give you two other platforms that you can try, but what I picked up is a lot of these platforms are affiliated to each other, right? Another platform that you can try and you can sign up and then you can get some free products is Rubybox. I will link it all down on my bio, the link to the website, so that you can sign up and you can get all these products. And then also, apart from Rubybox, there is Mombox, there's Dadbox, but they're all linked to Rubybox. Mombox is for mothers, obviously, and Dadbox is for dads. And then the last one that I've heard of, but I've never really tried, is Home Tester Club as well. So that's also another one, but they're all part of this Buchanan group, which is like a place where brands can go to and say, we want 100 people to try this foundation and let us know how it feels, and then you review it. So yeah, so that is how I got this foundation for free. But the foundation on the website, I think it's $239, and to be honest, you know that I will not endorse something that I would never wear. And I think my $239 here would go a very long way. I actually feel like I am gonna buy this thing myself just to wear it. I love how it looks. So yeah, so let me tell you guys, this is the look with just the foundation on, and it looks so effortless. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it doesn't feel like there is product on my skin. It just feels like I put on like a moisturizer, a nice cute moisturizer. So I'm absolutely in love with how it looks. It is my kind of makeup. Nakapara makeup omo practical and be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I just realized at this moment I got a primer. But it's fine, I guess. So we're gonna have to continue with this very chaotic makeup tutorial. But anyway, yeah, that is this foundation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my favorite products and I give on how it works with other products, because most of the time I reka makeup, I reka an entire range. O reka foundation mo, o reka concealer mo, o reka highlight mo, so for concealer I am gonna use LA Girl Pro Concealer, because if you don't have this concealer, we rank up how. These platforms that I'm telling you about, where they give you like free products to review, they have the pros and the cons of it, right? I mean, like, you obviously have to sign up. So they'll send you an email every time a new brand campaign comes up. So what you do is when you get that email, it takes you to a link for you to fill out a short survey around your details, and then it asks you about your Instagram followers. It asks you some qualifying questions. It depends on the type of campaign, right? It asks you about your followers, your details, your address, if you use products similar to that or not, and how often do you use it, and what other type of brands do you normally use. So it asks you those types of information to kind of check if you are a fit for this product. So typically it will also ask you, do you agree to do like a product exchange, meaning hore, they will send you product and you will post about it. Just because you fill in this thing or they say you qualify, it doesn't mean you're gonna get the chance to review this, right? So now I did a couple before I got this AVON Powerstay. I tried the lipstick, I tried the gum one, I tried the chocolate one, I tried the alcohol one, I wanted the majors. So I've been filling in some of these surveys for the past 3 months or so, but then this was the one that I ultimately got. So I mean, and to be honest, I only fill out the ones that I want to really try out, because I'm already keen on using that product. But if you just want to get everything from Mahala, you can try your luck. Freebie box, once they see that you qualify, generally they will send you an email to say, now you qualify, you have been selected, or you have made it to the next round of this product review. It will ask you to put in 5 friends and their email addresses, and that way you will be able to then move on to the next round if you are taken. And this is 5 friends that you want this thing to be sent to. I don't know if it matters if that person is already on the platform or not, I won't lie, but yeah, Ruby Box asks you for 5 friends. Beauty Bulletin, not so much. Beauty Bulletin, once you fill out the survey, you kind of just have to wait, and then they will tell you if you've been selected or not, because that's how I got this one. I was just told, hey, I even got a DM. I got a DM on my Instagram, and I think they want to check if your platforms really work. I don't know how to increase your chances of getting selected, because even me, I haven't been selected. This is my first one. But what I can tell you is things that don't matter. Things that don't matter is the number of following. When I started this, or when I started with the Beauty Bulletin, I thought the number of followers will matter. I had about 18,000 or something followers, and then I didn't get this one campaign, and I saw that people who had less followers than me got it. But what I think matters is you must have at least about 1,000 followers, if I'm not mistaken. So the number of followers don't matter. I don't know what matters, but if anyone knows, please do tell me. I just know what I know. But yeah, that's pretty much how Beauty Bulletin works, and Ruby Box and Mom Box. So that's how I got this free product. I feel like I'm talking a lot, so I'm just going to go ahead and just speed up the process of this, because I talked about the foundation and that's what I wanted to talk about. And then I will review finally at the end with you how I feel about it. So now I'm going to use my quick face setting powder for my concealer. And I'm going to use my Hermosa Flow brow gel to just kind of the eyebrow, guys. Na di eyebrow di antswafisa, so please o ska ya ka nna ne wena ha o nya go shape di brow tsa ha ngwana go ha go body shape o ska ya ka motlapa wa tshwana le nna na ke di shape ya di ka mafela ka di brachanyana hanyane mo le mo, then ke tswa mo tsona. So for eyeshadow ke lo berekisa my Mr. Price eyeshadow palette. Ke lo berekisa this brown here, and I'm just going to do like one swatch of the brown. My makeup is very practical, and then it doesn't look the best on camera because I get perfectly camera. Get perfect like ya kuntle. Give it nice. And what happens to perfect camera? Mutating utla pafane, marhava to pafa still aberkise filter ko Instagram. Auni perhaps utlo stress amoka di filter. Utla kra wena follow ile di steps sa high at di 6,000 layers ta makeup. Mara wena mo wena di sa tshwaneli because of mutu o berekisa filter skat. So please go post sa stress or a pafo garu uspuku because of wena how pilika mo Instagram o tloya ko ntle kwa le re tlo bone and ona re tlo tseya. I am gonna go ahead and then I'm just gonna apply my concealer, and today ke berekisa Hermosa Flow, and I have been loving this Hermosa Flow concealer with all of my heart. So ke tlo berekisa this middle one, as you can see ke yona e felang, and then that will be the contour. Why get concealer? Ke contour. Yo, batong marangona lona. Skwa se miranga jeko. I'm going to continue on this journey of this kit, and on this journey of this face palette, yeah, Hermosa Flow, and I'm gonna use this blush for a blush up here. Wait till next time a blush color. Next time I blush. So I'm just gonna use that, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of what's left on the brush and put it under my nose because I saw all the Instagram girlies do it. Bergisa mascara over Rimmel, which is my favorite mascara, and then give it this liner, which is my favorite liner from Essence. This foundation applies well with other products so far. I like the application of it. It still sits on my face. It doesn't drown. It doesn't make the other makeup look funny. Although I've used powder and I've used liquid over it, it still looks very well put together. So I'm impressed by that because the layer, once I applied it, felt so thin. I thought that it won't burn some but clearly not. So well done, Avon. I mean, batong I hope la Avon itong le irekisa di perfume fela. Who would have thought Horka 2023 Roraka makeup go Avon and a real enjoy. The only thing that's left is highlight. I'm gonna use my quick face highlight because it's my favorite girly right now. So today I'm not doing anything to my lip besides lip gloss. I don't like complicating makeup. You know, you apply 5,000 glosses on your face. Why? I mean on your lips. Why? Then finally I'm going to take my Mr. Price setting powder and just set all of that, and then I'm going to get ready to shoot my videos. I love this foundation. Oh my gosh, I think this is a new fave. Okay. This is a new fave. I like how it sits. It's just melted onto my skin. It's nice and easy. It feels like it's gonna wear off well during the course of the day, and apparently it lasts for 18 hours, so we need to test this one of these days. But I absolutely love how the rest of my makeup products sit on this foundation base. It's nice and easy, soft, seamless, and it's not too complicated. So yes, this is a $239 that I feel has been well spent. If you want to purchase it, if you want to purchase this makeup, I'll put a link on my Instagram bio, and I also have a link down on the video for you to just go straight to the foundation. But I like how it looks. Thank you guys for showing up with me. I really do appreciate you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.